So the talk I have presented at this meeting has introduced three ideas. One of them is the demonstration that there is a subset of follicular T cells that we call follicular regulatory T cells or TFR cells that are important to prevent the production of autoantibodies. And one of the mechanisms by which they do this is producing a molecule called neuritin that prevents formation of plasma cells, particularly aberrant plasma cells from germinal centers. Another concept that I have discussed is the demonstration that gain of function variants or mutations in the gene TLR7 cause lupus. TLR7 is a receptor for single-stranded RNA, but we have shown that in a little girl with a de novo mutation in TLR7, self-DNA molecules was sufficient to induce lupus. And we did this by introducing the same mutation of the patient into the mouse. I think the last important concept is that the autoantibodies that arise in the context of systemic autoimmunity might be of extrafollicular origin. That means they do not originate from germinal centers. Because when we look at these mice that have the mutations that the patient have in TLR7, it really does not make any difference to make them deficient in germinal centers. If anything, pathology gets worse. So the implications are that these autoantibodies might not come from long-lived plasma cells. They come from pathogenic B cells that we now know as ABCs, or double negative B cells, or C11c positive B cells, or TBET positive B cells. And they express very high levels of CD19, suggesting that therapies targeted at CD19 positive B cells might be effective.